Are you struggling with constipation? This is heart and mother of all the health ailments. Do you wish for a natural and effective way to soften your colon and promote regular bowel movements? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore 3 refreshing drinks that can help you achieve a healthier digestive system. Drink number 1. Lemon water. Lemon water is a popular choice for improving digestion. The citric acid in lemon stimulates the production of digestive juices, helping to break down food more efficiently. Additionally, lemons are a good source of fiber, which can aid in bowel regularity. To make lemon water, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. You can add a touch of honey for taste if desired. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Drink number 2. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract and promote bowel regularity. Aloe vera juice contains natural laxative effects that can soften the stool and make it easier to pass. However, it's essential to choose a pure aloe vera juice without added sugars or artificial sweeteners. Consult with your doctor before consuming large amounts of aloe vera juice. Drink number 3. Chia seed water. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy colon. When combined with water, chia seeds form a gel-like substance that can help add bulk to your stool. This can prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. To make chia seed water, soak a tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water for about 15 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon or a splash of fruit juice for flavor. Drink this refreshing beverage throughout the day. While these drinks can be beneficial for overall colon health, they might not work for everyone. It's important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have persistent constipation or other digestive issues. Hydration, a balanced diet rich in fiber, and regular exercise are also crucial for maintaining optimal colon health. Have you tried any of these drinks? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.